In this episode, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Twitter. When browsing on Twitter, pictures and videos are captured on your phone in the form of cache. With time, this takes a lot of storage in your phone, hence the need for us to clear cache regularly on our phone. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to clear cache on Twitter. Stay tuned till the end of this episode to see the entire steps. On your phone, navigate to settings, then in here locate apps and click it. Right in the apps, locate the search button on the top and type Twitter. Pick the one with this backslash. Right here, locate storage and click it. Here we could see the videos that we've seen in the pictures are already cached in our phone, which takes up 10.22 megabytes. So to clear the cache, quickly locate this icon and click it. Now we just saved 10.22 megabytes of storage capacity in our phone. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.